What's the matter? So scientists chatter. Ask a question, hypothesis, make an observation, measure and record this, share conclusions with the world. That's how they do their work. What's the matter? Our scientists chatter, and you can too. And don't forget about peer review.
Good morning, this is a Science News Flash. I'm Rocky Viscus. This just in, SSIS teacher attacked by an exploding soda bottle. We have a reporter live on the scene. Over to you, Drippy Stone. That sounds like a question for our science guy. If anyone can answer it, he can. Wait, what? I'm getting something over the earpiece. You say they are science guys and girls? They can answer this question? Okay, back to you, Drippy.
Well, my hypothesis is the liquid grows. And when you shake it, it grows more and wants to escape.
Luckily, there are many scientists with the same question. They are working hard to observe, record, and measure their results. Let's go see them at work now.
Here are the materials we used for this experiment. 1 can of soda water. Make sure it's closed. A digital scale. A bin to catch the exploding soda water. And a funnel to put the liquid back in the can.
We should write that down and label it so we make sure we don't forget all the parts that we used.
So I think before we start, we should weigh this and find out how much it weighs before we open it. You guys think so?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
that's the first step in our procedure.
Okay,
Thanks
so
for
I'm
writing
gonna
it down.
put it here. The unit is grams, and it says 344 grams.
Okay, so make sure we write down that starting mass.
Okay.
Okay, shake away.
Okay.
It's the next step in our procedure.
Okay, should we open it?
Oh yeah.
Let's see, watch out, guys.
Woohoo!
Wow. Try to get all that liquid back in there.
Okay, so now I guess is when we get to use our funnel. We're going to pour the liquid that came out back in because we think the liquid grew, so there should be more
I
than
think it
when it
looked like
started.
it
That must be all the extra liquid.
grew. Mm-hmm. That grew. Yeah,
Okay,
I think so.
so now we put it back on the scale. That's the next step. I'll write it down, note taker.
Okay, it's at 0. That's a good
Moment
sign.
of truth.
What?
Does that say what I think it says?
That says 344.
But wait a minute, that's the same as the starting mass. It didn't grow?
I was sure it was going to grow, like bigger.
Huh, well, that is a surprising result. We better write this down because that is not what we expected to happen.
Wow, that looked like real science. Lucky for us, scientists share their discoveries in learning with the world. This Common Craft video was just published by our scientists and explains what they found out. Take a look.
Conclusion. Our hypothesis was not correct. When you shake a can of soda, the amount of liquid does not grow. It stays the same. We know this because the weight of the can before we opened it and the weight of the can after we poured the exploded water back is the same. We still wonder why the water exploded out of the can when you shake it. I think it has to do with the bubbles. In the future, we can try a new experiment to watch what the bubbles do when we shake and open a can.
What's the matter? So scientists chatter. Ask a question, hypothesis, Make an observation, measure and record this, share conclusions with the world. That's how they do their work. What's the matter? Our scientists chatter, and you can too. And don't forget about peer review.